the hell? Yo guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video on this amazingly warm British summer day, which if you're from the UK, we don't usually get this kind of like banging weather, but yeah, the weather is spot on today. Anyways, as I was saying, we're going to be unboxing the 𝗵𝗔200. When I say unboxing, I mean like the car came with a bunch of parts and like I haven't really had a chance to like check it out yet and whatnot. So yeah, I'm going to do that with you lot. And if I show you right now, the car came with a ton of parts. And I mean a ton of parts, like geez. As you can see, there is no rear. It's just full of bits and bobs, full of parts, which we need to get onto. And there's even more stuff in the trunk. Let me show you that right now. Let's open the trunk. Would you take a look at this? Like, geez. Yeah, this car came with a lot of bits and bobs, as you can probably tell. I mean, from the right off the back, we can see we've got some wheels, tyres. Don't know why we've got a 1EZ FE engine cover. Let me know in the comments what the hell I should do with that, because I have no idea. And as you can see, there's more bits and bobs right at the back. More, yeah. Oh, we've got a little air compressor there as well. That's pretty cool, actually. I don't know that. Anyways, shut this. As I already showed you a lot, got a ton of stuff in the back. But yeah, that's the plan for today's video. You're basically going to be unboxing the car and checking out what it came with. First, let's make a start on the front. Right, so we are now in the car, and first of all, let's see what the car came with in here. Jeez, so as you can see, yeah, there's quite a lot of stuff here. So yeah, let's go through it one by one. So we've got this thing, which I have no clue what it is. No clue. You know what, let me get a bag. If I grab a bag, I'll put all of this stuff in the bag, so give it a bit of a tidy up. Right, so we've got this, no idea what it is. Oh god, that looks kind of gross. Put that in a bag. Ooh, we've got the original 𝗵𝗔200 gear knob. That's pretty cool, actually, because as you can see, it's got an aftermarket bride one at the moment. But yeah, I've always loved the stock ones. In my opinion, these feel better than the actual bride ones. What is this? Okay, so we've got these max peding rods. I have no clue what these are. Let me know in the comments what these are for, because what I do know, the car does have max peding rods coilovers, so I'm guessing this has got to do something like that to like adjust it or something. So yeah, that's pretty cool, actually. Pretty cool. These would look kind of cool, like it's like over here or something. I don't know. I'm going crazy. We've got some. Is there anything in here? Let's hope there's something in here. Oh shit! Damn, got some free bulbs as well, yeah. Ooh, that's fresh. Hopefully these work. That's cool, actually. Damn. Put this back in. Leave that there for now. And as you can see, we've got another box. Damn, it's the same one. We got a pair of front lights. That's pretty cool, actually. And that's a win for me. Yeah, there's something in it, but can't be asked to open it. Let me check. Anything in there? Yeah, there you go. We got another light. So yeah, that's some cost off this car. Probably sell these or like use it whenever I need to sell it. So go in the bag. Now, this. I think I know. This is for the back, right? The back wheel, the tire in the trunk, the spare wheel. You tie it on. So yeah, that's obviously going to be useful. Okay, I have no clue what this is. It's kind of heavy. Again, let me know in the comments what you guys think this is. I'm absolutely clueless. No clue what that is. I don't know if it's going to be any useful. Bunch of fuses here. Definitely useful. We'll add that to the bag. Some ordinary light. Doubt this works, but we'll keep it just in case. And geez, what's in here? So we got some screws in here. Useful, I guess, because as you can probably tell, this car's probably got a lot of missing screws in the back. So yeah, again, useful. And So we've got some random wiring. I doubt that's gonna be useful, but I guess we put it in the bag. Who knows, might be useful. A clamp. Ooh, yeah, I know what this is used for. Again, that's for another video. I will let you guys know. But in the comments, let me know what you think this was used for. I mean, it's kind of obvious, but yeah, that's cool. We could definitely keep that, even though I'm probably not going to use it. Now, what's on this junk? Yeah, this is all just screws, nothing special. The hell? Jeez, we got a memory card, SD card, 1 GB. That's interesting. There might be stuff on this, you know. Oh, it's kind of gross actually, yuck. That's really cool. There might be some cool stuff on this, so definitely gonna check that out. I mean, yeah, I wonder what's on this. Put that in the bag. And yeah, we just got all of this junk, absolute junk. I can't lie, I should probably wear gloves when I'm doing this. Light bulb, screws, but these screws, they're probably like really important. Probably for all of this part, the rear interior side of things, for the seats, whatnot. But yeah, we got quite a lot of stuff here actually. So if I show you like the bag, we've got quite a lot of stuff in here. That's pretty cool actually. So we'll keep that over here. And what I'm gonna do now off camera, I want to get all of this stuff, put it in this bag, and that's for the little coins and stuff that can go in my wallet. This place a little clean. It's kind of dirty, isn't it? Yeah, let's get all of this in here and see you in a bit. There you go. Nothing left. Definitely needs a little bit of cleaning there. We got all the screws, bits and bobs, so we'll leave that in there for now. And as for the bag can just live in there for now. Once I'm a bit more sorted out. So yeah, we've sorted out this. Quite a lot of interesting stuff in here. Pretty cool. We've got some rubbish here, which I don't think I'm going to be needing. Oh, I might. Yeah, I'm going to need these, by the way. These are brackets for the front number plate. I will be needing those. But yeah, that's the front area done. I mean, there's not a lot in here. Nothing in here. Got some coins in here. Ooh, it's quite a lot of money, isn't it? Yeah, there's nothing else in the front. I shouldn't take these, nothing. So yeah, now let's get on to the back. What the hell? Right, so right off the bat, we've got some pretty interesting stuff here. We've got a fire extinguisher here, which again gives you an insight of what this car is actually used for previously. So that's pretty cool. I want to leave that in there actually. So yeah, right off the start, we've got 2 wheels, 2 lights. No clue what that is, but it looks sick. That's actually my bonnet prompt to keep the bonnet held up. So this did not come with the car. I paid good money for this. Totally didn't find it lying around somewhere. But yeah, ooh, so we got some wheel spacers, some black things. I'm guessing that's tape. And let's have a look on the other side what the car came with. So if we go over here, what is this? Ooh, we've got a pair of fog lights. That's pretty cool. I mean, pair? Are those like, those are 3 driver side fog lights? What the hell? Well, that's not going to be useful then, is it? So we've got 3 of these, and we're missing both. So you know what? I'll probably sell these and make a bit of buck back. But yeah, pretty weird actually. Damn. What else we got? What's that? Ooh, racing seatbelt. Yeah, harness, racing harness, whatever you want to call it. It's kind of cool actually. So what I think we're gonna do now, is there anything in here? Nope, nothing. How about in here? Empty, nothing in there. As you can tell, there's a lot of stuff in the trunk. I don't think there's that much here actually. Yeah, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take all of this stuff out, I'm gonna leave it here, and then we're gonna move on to the bottom of the trunk. Because what I wanna do, I'm gonna take all the stuff in the garden, and then we can probably assess like what we've actually got of the car. So yeah, let's make a start on taking all this stuff out. We've got a bunch of seat belts. Don't know why this is here, but kind of cool, I guess. Geez, so we've taken some of the stuff out, and it is so dirty in here. Jesus. Oh, let's go on to the other side. Oh my god, why are these so heavy? So, as you can see, we've actually got a racing harness like bolted onto the car. That's kind of cool actually, I didn't know that. As you can tell, we've got a racing seat literally bolted on. How cool is that? How's the lighting? Yeah, there you go. One there, and both there. That's pretty cool actually. I might keep that on. Yo, my glove fell out. But yeah, here we've got the 3 fog lights, and that's about it really. That's the state of the interior. Well, with the rear seats, or the lack of rear seats, yeah, it definitely needs some rear seats. That's the plan, because the plan is to make this car back in good condition again. So yeah, that's pretty much for the front. I want to take the fog lights out, give you guys a quick overview of what was actually in here, and we move on to the bonnet. Oh, the trunk. Never mind. So yeah, this is everything we got in the rear seats. Some 2 wheels, a brace of some sort. I'm guessing that's for the front, underneath, whatever. Spacers, 2 front lights. They actually got bulbs in them, which is really cool. Seat belts and 3 driver side fog lights, which I don't know why, but I guess we can make some money off that by selling it. And yeah, this is how the back looks at the moment. Nothing much. Racing harness, huggy wuggy, and yeah. So what we're gonna do now, open the bonnet. Why do I keep calling this the bonnet, bro? We're gonna open the trunk and see what we got in here.